In this video, we'll be taking you through the step-by-step installation of the Mira Select Flex, which has been specifically designed for inclusive use. In new installations, it's recommended that the installation height for the valve is 1050 mm from the shower tray. 32 mm holes are required to accommodate pipe concealing plates. First, determine the route for the supply pipes and use the template provided to mark the positions of the pipes and fixing holes. Fit the supply pipework. Inlet pipes must extend 20 mm from the finished wall surface and be square to the wall. Cutting the pipe to size is best done with a pipe slice, taking care that all burrs are removed to prevent damage to seals. If retrofitting onto existing pipework, the inlets can be adjusted between 110 and 155 mm pipe centers. The inlets can also be adjusted to accommodate a range of pipe lengths and olive positions, allowing the existing nut and olive to be used to make a watertight connection to the valve. Please refer to the installation guide for instructions. Drill the 4 fixing holes for the backplate using a 6 mm drill bit. All 4 fixing points are required to fit the valve to the wall. Please use the wall plugs provided, or those more appropriate for the wall material if necessary. Water supplies should be flushed before fitting the valve. This prevents debris from blocking the filters or corrosive fluxes causing damage to the valve mechanism or seals. Seal the concealing plates with silicone sealant to prevent water ingress back into the fabric of the wall. Place the concealing plates over the pipework and secure to the wall surface. Place the compression nuts and olives over the pipes. Place the mixing valve over the inlet pipes. Finger tighten both the compression nuts. Then, fix the mixing valve to the wall using the wall screws and wall plugs provided. Retighten the compression nuts using a suitable spanner while supporting the elbow with a 6 mm hex key. Check level and adjust if needed. Check for leaks. Filters are integrated into the valve and can be accessed for cleaning or replacements using the 6 mm hex key. Ensure the shroud is the correct way up and drive features match. Rotate the temperature handle slightly to align if there is any resistance. The shroud should clip into place. Pull the shroud gently to ensure it's securely fixed. Should the hot and cold supplies be reversed for any reason, the cartridge can be rotated to accommodate without the need to adjust the pipework. Isolate the water supplies and turn the product on to relieve any trapped pressure. Then, loosen the 4 valve screws and remove the mixing valve from the body. The valve is color-coded, blue for cold and red for hot. Rotate the valve 180 degrees and insert it into the valve body. Push firmly and retighten the 4 valve screws to secure the mixing valve in place. The water supply can then be reinstated and the shower fully tested and commissioned. Turn the temperature handle anti-clockwise until it stops and test that the temperature of the water from the shower outlet is hot enough. If not, remove the handle using a 3 mm hex key. Remove and rotate the stop ring to the required position. One spline is approximately 1 degree C, clockwise for warmer. Refer to the installation guide for more information on commissioning the valve. Push the clamp bracket down onto the slide rail. Push the end brackets into both ends of the slide rail and make sure the end brackets are pushed in firmly. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the end brackets onto the slide rail. The recommended installation height for the fittings is 720 mm from the shower tray. Hold the slide rail assembly against the wall in the desired position. Mark the positions of the top and bottom fixing holes using the slide rail brackets as a template. Drill 2 8mm fixing holes and install the wall plugs. Do not drill through the slide rail brackets into the wall. Fit the slide rail to the wall and tighten the screws, ensuring the rail is vertical. Fit the end caps over the end brackets. When attaching the hose, ensure the red end goes to the valve and the green end to the shower. Screw the hose onto the handset and tighten to ensure a watertight seal. Take care to feed the hose through the hose retaining ring to comply with water regulations. Fit the shower hose onto the bottom outlet of the mixing valve. Mira Select is pre-fitted with an 11 litres per minute flow regulator to reduce water usage. Refer to the installation guide for more information. Place the soap dish frame on the wall and mark the position of the fixing holes, using a spirit level to ensure the soap dish frame is level. Recommended height 1050mm from the shower tray. Drill the 2 fixing holes for the soap dish frame. Install the soap dish frame to the wall using the supplied wall plugs and screws. Place the soap dish inside the frame. The water supply can then be reinstated and the shower fully tested and commissioned. Refer to the installation guide for more information on commissioning the valve. Your Mira Select Flex is now ready for use.